great experience, and they've always been there. If I needed to get a hold of them, they've always responded to me. Robin has been wonderful to work with. I mean, I could email her and she'd email me back immediately. Robert walked me through every step of the process, listened to all my stories, and understood why I was doing this. For the simple fact that I sat and asked the nurse to do something, and when I was watching my dad's heart rate go up and down from 50 to 150, and they didn't do anything. There were, working in the medical field, I may not be a doctor or a nurse, but I have learned enough in the 9 years I've been here to know that there are certain things that you do. Mm-hmm. And you listen to the family, for one thing, and she didn't. I just was not going to let them get away with it. I filed a complaint with the Oklahoma State Department of Health and with JACO. Got nowhere with them. Basically, we're sorry for your loss. Tough. And so I wasn't going to let them get away with it. A week after my father died, they did the same thing to a 4-year-old child. That summer, they did the same thing to one of my niece's best friend's grandfather. There's just been too many things with that place. And so something had to be done so they could be stopped. If they think they've got one, they need to pursue an action against it, because more than likely, they're the ones who know their body, they're the ones who know their family, and you can't live with yourself if you don't do something about it. The number one cause of deaths in this country is medical malpractice. That David Kennedy, the gentleman who I went to see first, was so confident that y'all could help us. Yes, and actually have already. I didn't have a business card, but I told them how to get a hold of y'all, and I told them, I said, they've always been honest and fair with me, and if you want to do it, this is where you need to go. But probably one of the best memories I have is him walking me down the aisle. He was so happy that day. Gary and I had just moved in together when my dad's brother died. Poor Gary got to meet my whole entire family at one time. But we went up for the funeral in Oklahoma City, and somebody made a comment to my dad about how nice he looked in his suit. And my dad says, well, I bought the suit for 2 reasons. I knew I was going to have to bury my brother, and so I walked my oldest daughter down the aisle.